Hello guys, welcome back. Before I start the video, let me tell you guys, Happy New Year. Let's hope this year will be a lot better, 2021. So I'm not going to be showing this car right now. Reason being is that it's cold right now. Let me show you the temperature. Right there. It's cold and it's not right for me to be painting on that temperature. So I am working on this car. I am videotaping it. So that'll come probably next weekend, guys. So just bear with me. But I did have some videos lined up in case of this happened. So let me just play you that video. And I hope you enjoy it. Alright, guys. Thank you very much. Let's start the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Far Away. In this video guys, I'm going to be painting the top of this 2016 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. The problem, you saw it, it's rust where the antenna is. I'm going to show you how to take the antenna off. I'm also going to be taking these decals. I already took that one off. I'm going to take these decals off so that I can paint the top. The owner's going to reinstall the decal later on. So my deal is just going to be the top. After removing the stripes, I'm going to take you inside, show you how to remove the antenna. Alright, it's time to remove the antenna. You're going to come to the back. There's 3 clips. All you got to do is pull them down. You're going to have to take these bolts off. They're, I believe they're 9mm, 10mm. So I'm going to remove it. And all this assembly light's going to come out. They're going to give you access to the antenna. After removing those bolts, the light assembly, the third light's going to come out. Let's remove it. There it is. Now you have access to the antenna right there. So I'm going to just remove that bolt. It's a 10mm and disconnect it. Okay, once removing this clip, you're good to go with the antenna. It'll pop out. There's also these 2 connections that you gotta disconnect, and that's it. Let me take off the antenna. Alright, let's start on the rust spots. I'm gonna take the angle grinder with 80 grit sandpaper and grind all this off. Let me see what's in underneath this. Hopefully it's not that bad, and so we can fix it. Alright, 80 grit, it's not working for the other one. Let me get 36 grit. Start taking all that off. right, everything has been cleaned up. There's a little hole that came out from the rust, but I'm going to be putting some fiberglass. I'm going to be putting some fiberglass real small just to cover that hole. Then I'll come back, put some filler on top of it, and I'll be good. So let me just prepare the fiberglass and come back and apply it. There it is, guys. I'm just gonna let it dry for about 20-30 minutes, maybe an hour, just to make sure that it's completely cured. And I'll come back, smooth it out, and start applying the body filler. But I ran out of gloves. That way I couldn't start spreading it more evenly, but it came out pretty good. So let me just let it dry, and I'll come back. There it is. You saw me there sanding all the excess fiberglass. I got myself some 80 grit, sanded it down. Now all I need to do is just come back with a little bit of body filler, and I'll be good to block sand. And there it is. I applied my body filler. I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of minutes. Come back. I'm gonna start roughing it up with 80 grit with the DA. Then I'll come back and start block sanding it. Let me give you a quick pick on the motor, guys. This is a real nice car. Really, really nice. There it is. And this is the Scat Pack package on this car. Very nice. Alright, I got some 80 grit on the DA. Let me start roughing it up and sand most of it. After finishing with the DA, I kind of smoothed it out. Now I'm gonna come back, put some 180 grit on a block, and just block sand everything smooth. When you're sanding body filler and anything else, go in a cross pattern motion, guys. Don't go just like this and thinking that it's going to come out straight. It's not. Go in a cross pattern motion. That's going to give you the best result, and it'll leave you this panel as smooth as possible. There it is, nice and smooth. Now all I got to do is put some primer on it, let it dry, block sand the primer, and we'll be good. But before that, I'm going to start sanding the entire top. I'm going to paint the entire top. I'm going to be sanding it with 400 with the DA real quick so that I can scuff everything up and have it ready for paint. Before starting to sand, I'm going to place an interface pad and get myself 400 grit so that I don't so it'll be a lot smoother for me to sand the top. The top's perfect. The only bad part was that, so I want to sand it as smooth as possible. After sanding everything, I'm going to come back with a maroon Scotch-Brite, start sanding all the edges. I taped it up so that I don't cross to the other side, but everything needs to be scratched. So that's what I'm going to be doing. There it is. Primer has been applied. Everything has been scuffed up. I'm just going to clean it up with some wax and grease remover. A tack rag will be good. There it is. All I did is just blended that little area. Now I'm gonna get the Grand 7 clear and flow coat the entire top, and I'll be done. So I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 wet coats of the Grand 7. So let's just get started. Another thing, guys, I'm gonna be using the 1.4 tip for the Grand 7 clear. Let's see how that tip performs for that clear. There it is, after 3 coats of clear. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about 48 hours. Then I'll bring it outside and I'll show you the car completed. There it is. There's a car right there. Everything matched. Came out perfect. And that's it. This will be it for this video, guys. That's it, guys. This will be it for this video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And there'll be more videos to come, guys. All right. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Like always, God bless.